Hey, this is Raul from Tutor Ming, and since we're in Chinese New Year, today we get to go out and taste some delicious Chinese food. We'll be looking at some of the main dishes that are super important for you to eat during this time, which Chinese people believe will bring in a lucky and great year of the dog. Let's go. So some of the Tutor Ming team will be coming as well, and we'll be having a feast, since it's one of the main things you do during Chinese New Year. You get together and eat and eat and eat. So we had to take a couple of trains to get to the restaurant, but the trip was well worth it. So let the dishes begin. One of the first dishes, 饺子, dumplings, is one of the most traditional meals eaten during Chinese New Year. They have some meat inside and some vegetables wrapped in dough skin, and they can be either boiled, steamed, fried, or baked. Ideally, the 饺子, or dumplings you eat, should be in the shape of a Chinese silver ingot. The more of these you eat, the more money you'll make during the new year, so I definitely want some more of these. Let's take another one. There you go. I'm hungry. The next on the Chinese New Year menu, 春卷, spring rolls. These are a pretty popular, pretty well-known Chinese food, so now you know how to say it in Mandarin Chinese. 春卷, where 春 is spring, which we mentioned in the previous Chinese New Year video, that this New Year celebration is also called Spring Festival. The reason why Chinese people like to eat this during Chinese New Year is because they have the shape and color of gold bars. It's all about being more prosperous during the New Year. What's next? Of course, 长寿面, longevity noodles. These are another staple during Chinese New Year, since they convey that you'll live long, hence the name longevity noodles. These are longer than normal noodles and ideally uncut, since you want your life to be healthy and as long as possible.
The next dish is a must, 鱼, fish, and it's popular because it sounds like surplus in Chinese, 鱼. Say it with me, 鱼, fish. One more time, 鱼. When you eat the 鱼, you can say a Chinese lucky saying, 年年有余, which means may you have more than you need.
And now my favorite part of the meal, the dessert. This is called 年糕. A direct translation would be year cake, although this is usually called a rice cake in English. It's usually made of sticky rice, sugar, and some other things like dates and some nuts. Why is this such a popular dessert for Chinese New Year?
It sounds like 年糕, which means year high. And people say the phrase 年年高, which means year after year getting higher.
This can be for everything. For life, for business, for actual height. It's success in all areas.
Another dessert is Tangyuan. This is like a sweet dumpling, and many times it has sesame or red bean inside.
These are really good. Since they're round, they symbolize unity, implying that family gets together during this time. And talking about time, it's the perfect time of the year to learn Chinese. So go to tutorming.com for an actual Chinese class with native Chinese speakers. In the meantime, we'll enjoy these dishes and everything else in Chinese New Year.
Subscribe for more videos and let us know which Chinese dish was your favorite.
Happy Chinese New Year! 新年快乐! Bye bye!